loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and this is gonna be the perfect video for you. Lately I've been obsessed with minimal makeup looks, and when I'm just home or running a few errands, concealers have been my go-to makeup products. And concealers have been my savior during the bad skin days as well as the hero of my all glam makeup looks. In today's video, I thought why not to share with you all the way I like to use my concealers in 2023. So let's go. Now here's the thing, concealers are more thick in consistency unlike foundations, but on the other hand they provide high coverage, so all you need is a pea-sized amount of it. But do not underestimate these concealers, because even in that small pea-sized amount they can easily cover up the blemishes, dark circles and pigmentation on your skin, because they are really high on coverage. And talking about one of my favorite concealers that I've been loving since years has to be the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I've been using these since years and I swear by their formulation. I've loved this concealer since years and emptied so many of these, but even till date their performance is a top notch. Now my favorite part has to be the structure of this concealer, because it comes with an easy to dispense cushion tip applicator through which the concealer comes out when you actually just rotate the product. Also, this concealer comes in 9 shades to choose from. The Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer literally does it all for me. Like, you can use it the usual way, that is to conceal. I use it underneath my eyes to hide and cover up my dark circles. I like using a warmer shade like the one here. This is the shade Caramel and I feel the shade Caramel just works perfectly, while I also love using these concealers to highlight and bring forward my best facial features, and for that I love using the shade Medium. While this shade Butterscotch is a very close skin tone match as well, so I like using this on the parts where I have like small blemishes or points where I just wanna conceal very lightly without anybody knowing. I love using this shade Butterscotch. So that is my skin before using these concealers. You can see right away the darkness, the pigmentation, everything is clearly visible. And now let's go and conceal the darkness underneath my eyes. I'm using the shade Caramel to do so.
Celebrating with my favorites when I'm with my click. Running with my click. Feels amazing, I embrace it when I'm with my click. Running with my click. Smiling faces on a daily when I'm with my celebrating with my favorites when I'm with my click. Running with my click. Feels amazing, I embrace it when I'm with my.
You can instantly make a difference on the side that I've used the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. The darkness is all concealed and covered. These concealers glide on smoothly and conceal so well, and the best part about them is that they do not crease at all. So let's use it on the other side as well.
Celebrating with my favorites when I'm with my click. Running with my click. Feels amazing, I embrace it when I'm with my click. Running with my.
You can see I have like 2 very small blemishes right here. I like using the shade Butterscotch over them to just conceal these out.
Running with my click. Feels amazing, I embrace it when
And then to highlight, I like using the shade Medium and apply it on the high points of my face.
Running with my click. Feels amazing, I embrace it when I'm with my click. Running with my smiling faces on.
And then simply blend it out using the blender.
My favorites when I'm with my click. Running with my click. Feels amazing, I embrace it when I'm with my click. Running with my smiling faces on a daily when I'm with my.
You can instantly make out the more lifted appearance the concealer gives once you've highlighted your features, and are very easy to use. These concealers just blend like a dream, giving you the most natural radiant finish with a medium coverage. You can see the difference for yourself in the before and after. I absolutely love these concealers. Like you saw it yourself, all I used today was just these concealers to get my base done, and the base literally is so lightweight, breathable and looks extremely natural. And that's not all. I'll also show you all my favorite hacks that I love using with these concealers. Like, if you ever forgot your cream blush, worry not. All you need to do is simply take out some concealer, add any powdered shadow to this concealer. There you go, that is your customized cream blush ready. Now you can simply pick this up and dab it on your cheeks and blend it out. Like you can literally mix any powder shadow with your concealer to get a customized blush anytime, anywhere, and this just looks so gorgeous. And I also saw a viral facelift hack. All you need is a highlighting shade. I'm using the shade medium to do so. You can literally get the most snatched appearance, facelift instantly. All you need is a highlighting concealer shade. I'm using the shade medium for this. I need to simply apply like so and blend it all out.
Raining with my favorites when I'm with my click. Running with my click. Feels amazing, I embrace it when I'm with my click. Running with my click. Smiling faces on a daily when I'm with my with my favorites when I'm with my click. Running with my click. Feels amazing.
Oh my god, you can literally see this side looks so snatched and oop, all lifted. Love it. You can definitely make a difference seeing both the sides. This side looks so much more lifted and snatched. I just love this facelift hack. These concealers are so multi-purpose. Like in just one click, they would not only hide your dark circles and blemishes, but would also add definition to your face without it looking unnatural. I absolutely am in love with the finish of these concealers. These concealers are easy to use, travel friendly, have a super compact packaging, and they're priced at 729 rupees. So what's the wait? Go get your hands on this cult favorite now. I would have all of the product links mentioned in the description box below, and sound off in the comments below your hacks to use concealers in 2023, and we shall meet soon in the next one. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.
When I'm with my click. Running with my click. Feels amazing, I embrace it when I'm with my click. Running with my click. Smiling faces on a daily when I'm with my